Hey guys, welcome to Sma-Trendz. Today we're going to make a crispy snack with igli rava batter. Yum! They look very delicious. They make a great evening snack too. And they're very, very delicious. So it just takes about 10 to 20 minutes to make them. They're like an instant snack. You can make them in a snap like that. Super delicious. Aren't they? So now we're going to start preparing them by starting with 2 cups of igli batter. And we're going to add a few finely chopped onions. It's very hard to chop them so tiny. Then we're going to add some chili paste. You can just blend a few chilies to make this. And then we're going to add some finely chopped curry leaves. So that's it. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So, there we go, all sprinkled all over there. Kind of look like brown sprinkles. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. They actually make the batter more crispy and crunchy. Well, not the batter, but the snack more crispy and crunchy. Very, very crispy and very crunchy. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. I actually can't think of a single recipe without salt. Anyways, we're going to mix all the ingredients together. I'll blend it in together to create a delicious bonda batter. And there's the perfect batter. Very, very delicious. So here it is, all mixed up. And if you need to add a few more onions, you can, because the batter should be nice and thick. And onions can help make the batter thicker. So there it is. You're just going to add a few more onions. Also, onions give a good spicy taste. And here is the perfect batter. Now we're going to start frying them by having a whole vat of hot oil ready. We're going to carefully add a small amount of batter into hot oil, and we're going to add a few of these. They make the bonda snacks, but the hot oil is very hot. Be careful, guys. So there it is, all getting fried up and getting crispy and crunchy. So don't take them out until they get a golden brown color. If they get a golden brown color, you'll know that they're ready. So if they don't get that color, you can still let them fry for a few more seconds. Check it out. The igli bonda is ready to serve. It goes great with chutney. Very delicious. It's crispy outside and very soft and delicious on the inside. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!